So this is the second part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 19. In the part 2, the second part of the second project, that is the social media interaction, that is post and comment handler. So in the previous part, we had built functions that with which we would be able to handle posts, like handle comments and handle likes, and then fetch it to the, like, post it back to the backend. Now in this part, we have to connect it to MongoDB using Mongoose, and then have to define schemas that has to how it will be stored in for posts and comments, and then we have to return all the posts via get. Now after that, that's it for this part. Okay, so let us jump into the code. Okay, here we are creating an instance of the Express app. Now after that, we are using cors and JSON. Now here we have the Mongo URI. After the Mongo URI, we're trying to connect it to the Mongo server, the Mongoose using mongoose.connect. So if it is connected then it says MongoDB connected, or else it shows error. Now here we have to define the schema for comments. So how is the schema for comments? Now first is the ID, that is the number, the post number, and then we have the text, that is the string, whatever the comment is, and then we have the date. By default, the date is set to the current existing date. Okay. Now we have to define the schema for posts. So in what all does the post contain? One is ID, which should be unique, and after that is the title, then the content, likes, and then comments. Okay. Likes we have set default to 0. Now, alright, so when we fetch the data from the backend, how do we arrange it? Is in the, so we sort it from the ID1. So we started in the ID1 ascending order. So we try to sort it, or if it is not getting sorted, then we catch the error and we display the error saying whatever the error message so and so. Now after that, we have to, since we don't have any post as of now, if we have post, like if it checks if the count is 0. If the count is 0, then we insert many, that is the ID, content, comments, likes, etc. etc. If it's already existing, then we don't use this. Now now one more is the app.js, which we had seen in the previous part already. The same thing here we have in the form of the second part of this code. Okay. So now let me open the terminal and let me run the program. So first let me click on run. So npm is here. Now for bash, I'll start with cd src server node server.js. Okay, so MongoDB is connected. How do we connect this? Is basically this one is the URI. You have to enter your URI here. How do you enter URI? The steps is given here. Connect to MongoDB. So follow these steps and then you get a personalized URI. So put that. Now here we have the social media app. So alright, so when I refresh, here's the social media app. So here you have the posts, that is whatever is the content, the post, and here the like count is 0, and here the comment is basically user to add comment. Okay, so here we have not implemented this yet. In the next part, we're gonna be implementing that. So let me submit the program. Yeah, so all the tests have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.